What's up, guys? Today, we're gonna go over Daisy Editor and how you can use Daisy Editor to um, place objects like buildings, trees, rocks, roads, anything. So first, you'll need not that you'll need actual Daisy Editor. So get Daisy Editor. After you get Daisy Editor, you'll want to get something called Editor 2TB, which is a mod that lets you transport or export the objects and everything, and then you can implement them into Terrain Builder. So that's what we're gonna go over today. So you want that, and I'll also show you if you get vanilla road parts, you can also place roads in Daisy Editor, and then instead of using the road tool, if you don't want to use that, which this is what I do. So um, I didn't make any of those mods, but I'm gonna show y'all how to use them. So after that, you'll make sure you have editor to TB, Daisy Editor, and Vanilla Road Parts Pack. So after that, you'll want to pull up the game, and I'm gonna show y'all how to actually put it into the whole world and everything, and show y'all it actually works. So I'm gonna get that done in a second. I'm not gonna really build anything. Just gonna kind of place a couple buildings and stuff, trees and roads, and then we'll show how to export it, make sure everything works. I'm gonna show y'all a couple ones that I already know that will mess up and how to fix it, and then we'll be good. Once this loads in, you'll want to go to your map, which six. Sorry, my wife came in. But so first, you want to load into your map, and then completely lost the train of thought. But you'll load into your map. Oh yeah, so what I was gonna say. First, you'll definitely want to go in and flatten out your area that you want. But for the video, but so we're just gonna get some houses. You can put in the house. You just click it, put it in. Now you can shift left click to spin to turn it how you want. And if you hit Alt and left click, you can go up and down to get the right length, which will level out your ground. So that this won't be a problem. Like you'll just have to level it out and it will be perfect. But we'll just do another house. Most time they will spawn under. You can put ground mode on. What ground mode does is when you're moving it, it won't automatically go up. So if it's off, it'll automatically go up like that. If you turn on ground mode, you can do that. You can pull it down to a certain extent and then move it, and it won't go up. If you have it off, though, as soon as you move it, it'll go back up. Even if you put it down, as soon as you move it, it'll go back up. So I like to use ground mode. Magnet is good for it, just kind of like magnet to the ground. So like if I move it, you see how it's moving, so it will literally go to how it's supposed to be on the ground, so you could walk in it perfectly. But if you level out your ground, you won't have to worry about that, and magnet usually isn't the way to go, to be honest. So there's a couple buildings. For roads, you want to put R, B, L, D, R, and here are all the roads. So for the video, I'm going to use these, because I know these will mess up. The other roads should work pretty fine. You won't have to do what I'm going to show you in a second. So we're just gonna make a road real quick. You just have to line them up. If you hit Control J, that duplicates it, so you can get both of these. Hit Control J, and then just move it, and you'll have the 6 connect is where you kind of connect roads. So we would have a road here that would go to the house. So we have an ending one. So there's that. Now for trees, you'll want to put PLNT, and these are bushes, everything, and they show you what they look like as well. But yeah, so not W, but you'll go down T, PLNT underscore T is the trees. So you'll get the tree, it's a dead tree, but you can put trees in. And then rock. These are different types of rocks you can put in. You can put in like walls as well if you wanted to. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Control Z is how you undo. And then what else? The best way to figure out the names and stuff for me has been kind of just going through it. It will take a ton of time. I will say like static objects are usually like anything you can place, and then land is usually most of the buildings, so you can place all these buildings. But yeah, so after that you'll get this done or whatever, you'll have how you want it. Then for that mod that you download, the export to TB, you'll go in here, go to export. That'll be the last one, TB Absolute. Export, and then you'll go down, name it something. So we'll just call it tutorial for today. Export, yes, yes. Now it's done. Now you can close out of DayZ Editor. Open up DayZ Tools. Make sure your P drive is downloaded. So first, before we even go in there, we're going to go into Documents. This is where it saves. Everything from DayZ Editor goes into your Documents, DayZ Editor. And then our file is right here. We're going to go in, right click, Edit. Now, when it pulls up, you'll see the names of stuff. Now you'll see right here, it's just GRA. It's supposed to be grav underscore 25. It only does it for the 25. That's the only one I've had problems with so far. You just go in, make sure you do all that, and then press save. Now that's fine. So now we open up Terrain Builder. We will open up our project, tutorial, source, TB, and that file. Now we have this. So first, we'll go in. First, you need to set your libraries. So we're going to create a library. So right click here, create a library. I'm pretty sure I already did this. I guess I just didn't save it. But you'll go in, name it whatever. You can go in and literally do it individually because everything's in here, like rocks, plants, buildings, weapons, like everything. So you can go in and do that. You can change the color here of what you want the objects to place on your map. You can change it from the shape. Press OK. Let that go all the way through. Make sure you click include subdirectories. And then after this gets through, you'll be able to put in the objects, which you won't have to do this every time. If you've saved your project, you should be able to just open it up and put it in and be good. So now they're good. We have that in. So we're gonna go to File, Import, Objects, pick a file. We're gonna go to Documents, Daisy, Editor, Tutorial, Open, Advanced Options, Absolute. Make sure you put Absolute, Relative will not work. So now we have this, and it's in our map. So if we pull up Bulldozer, we'll be able to see it. I'm sorry guys for the delay of the video. I have an 8-month-old baby, so it's get pretty busy. I work on my map. I have a day job. I also am trying to make a video game with 6 other people at the moment as well. You can join the Discord in the description to get everything on my map, and you can ask me questions or anything you need to know in there as well. I'd prefer you to go there and I'll answer every question than to DM me, just because I have a lot of people DM me, which I don't mind, don't really too bad, but it gets a little crazy when I see everybody's messages. But if you want to DM me, that's fine too, but I definitely prefer if you join the Discord. But now you can see our stuff is in the map. So now that that's good, you'll also have to go in for the roads to just look at them. Like sometimes they'll be like this. Just move it. Make sure it looks right. It's just a little weird, but once you like in game close up, you're not gonna be able to see that little like what we see from the top view. Those little So yeah, that's in there. So we know that that's good. Now, okay, whatever. So now after that, you could go in and do the texture thing for your height map, your mask. Like say you wanted this to be like, I don't know, if you had like concrete or something, you could put in a mask for concrete. But that's on my last video. Watch the last video, you can literally do all that. But now we'll go here to export. We'll go to WRP. Go to B drive, tutorial, world, our WRP, replace it. It's okay. Save our project. Close that. Open up PBO project. This is going to be centered on my map because that's what I'm working on. It's not called Colorado, guys, just so y'all know. It's just what I put for now. Now press crunch. Everything should work right. And then after this is done packing, we're going to go into Daisy Editor so you can see that's in the map. And then that will be the video for today. I'm thinking about making kind of like, I guess, dev vlog, but really like time lapse of my world. So creating my world that I'm making. And if y'all would like that, let me know in the description. Let's close that. Oh, wrong one. So, but yeah, if you all would like to see those, kind of see my workflow, pretty much how I just go through it, so let me know in the comments. But now, we got that done, so we press play. We'll go in, see the improvements we've made to the map, which, like, placing forest, I would definitely do what I did, like, the last video in number 2. I would definitely make forests like that, and then place like individual trees and stuff into the towns and stuff. That's when I would do like that. Or if you have like just little spots, that's why I would use Daisy Editor to go in and place trees and stuff how you want. I just feel like the controls for DayZ Editor are a lot easier for people. So, and I mean, shoot, for me too. So, but we're gonna go in and see what we've done. But big thanks to the guy that made the mod for this even possible. Export to TB, it changed a lot. Put it over here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so now you can see it's in our map. Now if you press T and you press the home button, you can go in as your character. Press Y to get the mouse off. You can run around as your construction character in DayZ Editor and kind of see what you did. You can open up doors, go in, see the whole thing. But yeah guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see my time lapse, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely make sure to start dropping those pretty often, because I work on my map pretty much every day, and I'm trying to get that out so people can experience it and let me see if how good of a map builder I am, because this is my first map ever making on anything. But yeah guys, I appreciate y'all coming to watch the video. Thank you for all the likes and subscribes and the comments. Peace out guys.